Today, I want to introduce to you our CHENGXIANG Auger powder filling machine. This machine adopts advanced technology and precision components, with fast and accurate filling capacity, suitable for 10-500G powder filling, widely used in food, pharmaceutical, chemical industries, etc. It can put in caps on bottle automatically. And the star wheel we use has characteristics such as wear resistance, high temperature resistance, low temperature resistance, and is not easy to deform. In addition, this machine also uses a Siemens touchscreen operating interface. This is the labeling machine. It can be customized according to your products. We use the Germany Lewis label sensor. Labeling accuracy is very high. And we are also equipped with date printer. In summary, this auger powder filling machine is an efficient, stable, and safe mechanical product. If you want to know more, please contact us.